If OnlyFans videos keep spreading after you report them, you're missing the 72-hour takedown window, and here's how ReputationZilla fixes it. Here's the problem. Most platforms ignore your first request completely. Screenshot the video URL and timestamp within 6 hours of discovery to preserve evidence. File a DMCA takedown directly with the hosting CDN, not just OnlyFans support. Someone leaked your OnlyFans content to a third-party tube site. Within 48 hours, the video hits 12,000 views and your subscriber count drops 18%. You try reporting through the platform's abuse form and hear nothing back for 9 days. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle content removal when platforms stall or ignore you. The longer it stays up, the more it spreads to mirror sites. Speed matters more than anything else in content takedown. Most people fail here. They file one abuse report through the platform's contact form and wait. Platforms receive 8,000 reports daily in 2026. Your request sits in a queue for 7 to 14 days while the video spreads. With ReputationZilla, we file simultaneous DMCA notices with the hosting provider, the CDN, and Google search within 6 hours. Step 1 is identifying the actual host. The video isn't stored on the tube site itself. It's on a CDN like Cloudflare or Bunny CDN. Use a browser inspector tool to find the video file URL. Look for the .mp4 or .m3u8 link in the network tab. That domain is your real target. ReputationZilla automates this search across 140 CDN providers in 2026, saving you 3 hours of detective work per video. Step 2 is filing the DMCA with the CDN's registered agent. This is important. Every CDN is legally required to have a DMCA agent registered with the US Copyright Office. Find theirs at copyright.gov/DMCA-directory. Your notice must include 6 specific elements or they reject it. Include your legal name, the original OnlyFans URL, the infringing URL, a statement of good faith belief, and your physical signature. CDNs respond in 24 to 72 hours once the notice is valid. Here's the problem. Path A is filing one report through the tube sites form and waiting 14 days for a response that never comes. Your video stays live and spreads to 6 mirror sites. Path B is filing direct DMCA notices with the CDN and Google search simultaneously. Your video comes down in 48 hours and search results disappear in 72 hours. Here's the exact wording for your DMCA notice subject line and opening paragraph. Copy this verbatim. Subject: DMCA takedown notice pursuant to 17 U.S.C. 512, c. First paragraph: I am the copyright owner of original adult content hosted at your OnlyFans URL. I have identified infringing copies of my work hosted on your network at the following URLs. Paste the CDN file URLs. I have a good faith belief that the use of this material is not authorized by me, my agent, or the law. I swear under penalty of perjury that the information in this notice is accurate and that I am the copyright owner. I request immediate removal of the infringing material. Then add your legal name, physical address, email, phone, and date. Sign it digitally or scan your handwritten signature. Use this exact phrase: by Friday I will know if remove OnlyFans videos without lawyer moved my one number. Find the CDN host using browser inspector tools. File DMCA with the registered agent in 24 hours. Stop wasting weeks on tube site forms. ReputationZilla does it for you. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla at reputationzilla.org for the complete removal service. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.